Hey guys, I am installing some of the illuminated door, I don't know, illuminated door somethings. Can't remember what the heck they call them, seals or sills, illuminated door sills. Yeah, there it is. Tesla LED seal cover strips. So I'm doing that install. Here's the current one. So one of the first things I did, and it's kind of dark, but I cleaned all around it. And then you'll see on here, there's some stickers so you can mark where the current door sill is. So you just take the right one off, and then it is way sticky, but you put it right to the side. Better if I had better lighting. Okay, so that's right to the side of it. Okay, now we'll take the left one. The weird thing is I'm right-handed, but I feel like I'm a fish out of water doing this. But anyway, so you take, the left one. Put it right next to it. It's not quite there. There you go. Well, okay, so that is marking the the left side and how far down it is. It is a little there we go. So yeah. Okay. And we'll grab the top one. Okay. So that marks where it is on the top, your right and your left, and it's, I didn't quite get that one right. Right. Didn't get it left, but you know, that's a general idea of where it's supposed to go on. So now what I need to do is I need to go steal my wife's hairdryer, and then I'm going to need to heat it up. So there you go. So there's your right marker, your top marker, then your left marker. And you really should have these as close as you can to reality. You can see that it's going over it, because then you don't want to install it, you know, this way or that way, or to, you know, make it look bad. But that's where we're at so far. So I'm gonna go get the hairdryer. Then I need to heat this up because it's just glued on, right? There's a solid piece of metal right there. So I just need to loosen the adhesive by using a hairdryer. And once I get that done, I'll pop it off, and we'll take the new one, place the new one in the same spot, pull the stickers off the bottom, and then set it into place. So I'll take you along for that journey.